Can you use cooking oil as Tyre Shine? Tyre Shine is basically just grease with some other stuff mixed in. So you want something that greases up the tire and makes it shiny. Cooking oil is a cheaper option to Tyre Shine, and it should do the same job. Well, it works fine on a real car tile. Let's try these RC cars. And if dirt sticks to it. Looks like it's actually working. People say not to use it because dirt sticks to it, but it looks like it's not. Maybe because it's coconut oil, because it's got saturated fat. Yeah, right, let's check it. No. Might need to clean it off the rims, but see that? It's actually worked. What do you think? Let's see. This side you just did just then. Let's see that? Just, yeah. And this side's gone. It's a big seal. Maybe it does work. That worked a lot better than I thought it was going to. I thought dirt was going to stick to the tires and it wasn't going to go well, but you can see it's worked perfectly. It's a very good alternative to Tyre Shine. I don't think it's going to last as long. I mean, it might, but it does the job. So if you want a cheap option, definitely do it.